Reflective ink and prints have become very popular with safety, sports, and fashion. So in this video, we're going to show you how to get the best results screen printing Wilflex's epic ImageBright reflective base. ImageBright reflective base is made from a plastisol base with a glass reflective bead mixed into it. This base can be printed direct to fabric or pigmented with Epic PC pigments at a 6% weight. Screen printing reflective can be a little tricky. Common sense would say, I want a brighter base, I want a more reflective shirt, I'm going to put more ink on it. Well, it's actually the exact opposite. If you stack reflective ink too much, you'll bury the beads and you'll lose reflectivity. So to get best results, we recommend doing the following. Print direct to fabric, not on an underbase, to get the right amount of ink down in 1 to 2 passes. This also means using a proper mesh 110 to 156. Do not print flash print. Here we're going to be printing an all-made tri-blend and a white cotton. These are ring spun, tighter knit fabrics that hold the ink better and the beads higher on the shirt. First, you want to load your stencil with reflective ink and then print with a soft to medium pressure. Be sure not to drive the ink too far into the fabric. Reflective ink can be printed on a variety of substrates and typically does not have bleeding problems because your ink color is made from glass beads. Make 1 to 2 passes to ensure you have good coverage, but not burying the ink. It is also thinner, so tension is not as important when printing it. And then cure with your standard plastisol 320-degree curing parameters. Test reflectivity by using an LED light in a dark environment. If your results are inconsistent, examine and adjust your screens off contact and squeegee parameters to get a more consistent ink deposit. For these two prints, we did one more pass on the darker garment and we got better reflectivity. So if you're not getting the results that you want under light, you can try putting a little bit more or a little bit less ink deposit down until you get your desired results. All right, screen printers, thanks for watching. Check out Wilflex's epic ImageBright reflective inks along with the PC pigments you can use to pigment these inks available on screenprinting.com, and be sure to subscribe to our Facebook and YouTube channels for more great screen printing videos.